The water's up. I probably need to drop that cork down a little deeper. Alright, y'all. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back at Texas City. Got Mr. Tim Watson out here with me. He back on the water again. We're fixing to make it happen real quick. We got some live shrimp. We're gonna work this. It's an ugly day. It's rainy. It's raining right now. The lightning slowed down, so we went ahead and came on out. But there's still a little bit out there. Look at that big old gar. You see him?
Yeah.
All right. I don't want him though. That's what I was saying over there when I put my hand in there. I was like, what the hell? Like that's hot.
Alright. Trying to give you time to put the first one in there, man. You're taking too damn long.
Alright, Tim got that live shrimp out there. I'm gonna throw this gulp. See what we can do. I'll throw that shrimp here in a minute. And twice that sucker came back with no legs. I'm gonna get this 20-inch flounder out the way real quick. Show Tim you don't need that damn mullet.
Yeah. If we had some money, we'll have a goddamn flounder by now.
Nah. Shoot, I had some mullet on the bottom last time and we didn't hit nothing. I hit him with the gulp.
You don't know how to work the mullet like me. Like I don't know how to work the gulp like you. You don't know how to work the mullet like me, son. I don't know how to work that gulp like you.
Come on, fish, wake up. We already here. And I see the lightning. I don't like that. Come on now. I still see boats going down that dike though. It ain't stopping them. I know y'all hear that rumble too. But that's the thing right here. If it starts getting too bad, we not far from the truck. I can see the truck. I'll pull up on that pier and just wrap it up with the rope and we get out the water. We want to stop, we'll jump back in. Come on, fish. I'm going to speed this troll up a little bit. Get over here to this. Look. Give me that net, Tim. Oh, man, what the hell? Come on now. He hit that big old gulp. What the hell? How you hit that big old gulp? Well, that's crazy though, because I guarantee you probably caught more flounder with mullet than anything. That's why. And I've caught more flounder with gulp than anything.
Because you don't use mullet. If you use mullet, you'll catch more mullet. But you spend your time with that gulp. Yeah.
I do, but I like to move around and fish. I don't like to just sit there. That's easy fishing.
Yep.
That's relaxing, just chilling. kicking back.
You'll get that one day. You'll be there one day. Yeah, I used to see a time like this. I pull up right here and hop out the boat and walk down there fishing in the water.
Yeah.
25 years ago. No, that was going out.
Come on, Rain. Slow down. Don't start that.
Right. I ain't through. I need to get this.
Oh, you got a stopper on there, huh?
Yeah.
That's how Jason be fishing with his.
I did just my. Yeah. Up in the head. But they too soft. It's hard to soft. So I hooked their ass in the tail.
I always hook mine in the tail. Oh, he's still swimming though.
What you supposed to?
Yeah, he's still good.
You ain't swimming. Take your dead ass out.
That's that little crappie reel you got. You fishing with a crappie reel. You got braid on there?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Yeah.
And, yeah, and you dropped it though, huh? You dropped it down?
Look thick. I want your brother.
Yeah.
Your mother.
You might have to drop it a little deeper then. You went down and got him. Let's go. I guess that drizzle's just gonna keep on going. It ain't gonna give us no break.
Don't get no hard.
All right. The rain ain't slowed down. It's actually picking up, but we still fishing. We gonna fish. See what we can do.
Well, with that curry tail gup, you know what I'm gonna do?
I'm gonna work this gulp on the bottom. See if I can't find me a 20-inch flounder. Oh, he's gone. That was a big trout, man.
We need to get the net ready, man. Yeah. Damn, I was trying to get to the net ready.
That was a big
That
trout.
was nice, man.
That was a big trout. He might have had to got thrown back.
Yeah, that was nice.
See, you don't want to put that live shrimp on the bottom. You got one on there?
Yeah, watch out, fence up my hook. Watch out, watch out.
Go ahead.
Alright, see where he came up now. But it's a little, what, oh, you got it? Whoa, look, whoa. Whoa, look at that.
What the hell? Get on out of here, man. Alright, we're going to give it a shot with this down south lure. We ain't hitting nothing with the gulp. We ain't hitting nothing with the shrimp. We're going to throw this out there and see what we can get. Alright, me and Tim done made a move. We ain't doing nothing on that other side. That water was too slick. At least over here it's got a little chop in the water, something. Maybe it won't be all them little babies out here. We'll see. Them shrimp killers, they might be here too though. I got the trolling motor turned up though. Got him. Yeah. About time, man. We had to make a move and get over here to get something going. No, don't worry about it, Tim. Oh, man, your favorite. I got your favorite. Oh, look, he a sidewinder too. I got it.
Man, took him in the ass.
Now look, he's on the side. What the hell, man? That's your favorite right there. Come on, Tim. Go on, get him. Stop playing around.
See my motherfucking trap. I'm about to throw another one out. Still moving, or you gonna stop right now?
I'm going to try to stop here and see, but I'm going to have to move in a minute because it's just going to keep turning the back that way.
The cloud's trying to break free now. We're gonna get some sunshine for a little while. Got a bite?
I got one. It ain't nothing. A little trout. A sandwich.
Nugget.
Just catching babies. Got one.
Got it?
That ain't no big fish, but I got a fish though.
Got a hard head.
Your favorite. No. Oh. Something different.
You got the right species.
Look. There we go. Go on, get that hard head, Tim. Get him on in there.
I ain't messing with your shit.
Oh.
We must heard you talking and thought I was
I'm over there playing around and that's what it is.
That's what I ain't want to have.
Here you go, Tim.
Come off, it ain't hit my leg though.
Here you go.
Shit. Hold up.
Oh, shit. What
That
the hell?
catfish. That catfish.
Yeah.
You ever been stung by one
Yep.
before?
Hell yeah, I have, and it hurts.
Shit, burn.
And it lasts, too.
Burn like some fire on the motherfucker.
And it lasts. It don't go away. It lasts for a while. Yeah. All right, we on another spot. We got to do something. We ain't catching no fish. Looks a little better, huh?
Get ready for me.
I'm getting ready. You're about to go under. Is that my flounder? I think that's my flounder right there, Tim. I think it is. I think it is.
Remind it.
It is. I got him. I do got my flounder. Get it ready. Get it ready. Oh, man.
You got a flounder with a tail on it, man.
Damn, man.
Tail off, you might have a flounder.
Damn, man. I thought that was him. Come on, fish. Let's go, man. All right, here we go. There we go. I got him. Yeah, that's a big trout.
Ain't no crossing on me.
No, you got that net? You ready? Oh, that's a red. There we go. There we go. There we go. On that go. There we go. He ain't a keeper though, man.
Yeah, but he's big.
Yeah. Yeah, he might be, man. There we go. All right.
At least we know a red fish is in there.
Yeah, he took that gulp down, boy. He's 21 inches, Tim. Put that boy on ice. Uh-huh.
Pool ain't empty no more.
Hey. I need to get my trout back now.
Yeah. It's been nice, yeah. They trout in there.
And
Found on top of both of them.
oh no, he let it go. Come on, get it back. Come on, man. We can't be doing that.
Boy, it's beautiful out here. Boy, look like we ought to have limit of everything.
I know, huh? Wait.
Limit of everything.
We just came out here to chill, man. It's all right.
Yeah, we ain't kidding, too. Go up underwater over there.
I don't see it.
Yeah, well, now it came back up. See it?
Yeah.
Acting funny.
You're acting like there's a flounder on there.
You got it. You got your motherfucking redfish basket.
Yeah, I probably won't even freeze him.
He ain't gonna make it to the freezer.
Nah. You got one?
Yeah, you look good. One of these motherfuckers looking for you.
Oh, man.
Last shrimp.
That's your favorite. That's what you was wanting to catch all day.
Get my motherfucking shrimp back though. Hopefully.
Where'd they go?
Right there.
What you got, Tim?
Motherfuckers keep following me. Your homeboy. Uh-oh, sand trap. Oh shit. Oh. Might not be eating chicken after all. Shit. That motherfucking that cool. I'm gonna eat his. Think I ain't.
Tim said I ain't gonna be eating chicken. Oh shit.
This will make a sandwich, nigga.
Hey, it's a good size one though.
Yeah. Give me a couple of sea legs off of him. Put his ass in there.
I'm gonna bring it to you.
One more of them, I'll be alright. Good.
Damn, look at that big old stingray right there. I mean that jellyfish, my bad.
One of them touch up against you, boy. It'll sting for a long time.
Put your hand in there, see what it does.
Yeah. Motherfucker feel like a boat of electricity. Hit your ass. He hit you.
Yeah, he's purple looking too. He just looks hot.
I know one time.
Well, that's it, man. That's all we can do. We fished. It just wasn't a good day. I got one keeper red in there. Tim got him a trout, a sand trout. I lost a nice speckled trout. But that's what we ended up with. That was it. We do what we wanted to though. I mean, we fished, so I guess it's all right. We wasn't sitting at home. We were fishing, so we got back out here and got on something. But that was a Texas City trip, man. That's all we can do. I thought it was going to get a little better. Hopefully we were going to get some flounder, but it didn't work. It was a nasty day, but we still came and caught a couple fish. They got two in the ice chest, so it's something. But we'll get back with y'all on the next one, man, later.